Hi. I enrolled for digital content writing course in Henry Harvin Academy since May 2020, and it was a 1 month course. And the trainer was Urvashi Chaudhary. And in terms of overall course, it was really good because I'm just in the phase of restarting my career. So. This was a very great foundation which helped me to understand the basics of writing and what all we have to take into account while applying for writing profiles. So the trainer Urvashi was really very helpful throughout the course, and she was very approachable in clearing all our doubts and queries, no matter what the time was. And she was guiding us through correct feedbacks for all our assessments, and it was indeed very useful. And yeah, thank you so much, and I wish all the very best for the academy, and my best wishes. Thank you so much.